Hello friends and welcome to today's video. In this video I am going to show you how you can create a star hunter game. Okay, so our sprite is going to hunt for the star. Okay, so let's choose the backdrop to be a underwater. Okay, now let's choose a octopus from here. Okay, now let's duplicate it to three different colors. Okay, now let's change the color. So click on the octopus, go to costumes. Okay, now let's delete these. We don't need these. Just to give an animation, we can just give like duplicate it and then change the position. Okay, so for that take the arrow key, select it. Don't select it completely, select only this part. Okay, now just try to move it. Okay. Okay, so now from the octopus 2, let's again duplicate it. Okay. So that in the next two of them, we just need to change its color. Whichever is the color you want, you can take that color, choose the fill. I'll be taking the red color and let's try to fill it here. Okay. Similarly, what you have to do is just do this for the okay. So now go to the next one. Take another fill color. So whichever is the color that you want, you can take. Okay. Okay, I'll be taking this color, which is the violet. Okay, each of them you have to just color it. Okay. So now we have the octopus. So now if the sprite touches the octopus, the game will be over and it should be hunting for a star. Okay. Now let's choose a star. So this is our star. Okay. I hope up to this much is clear. Okay. So now first of all what I'm going to do is let's set it. Go to the go to when flatlet. Keep it here. Let's give once when the game starts it should be the underwater 2 itself. Okay. Now let's set the size of the sprite to be 60%. Okay, now the sprite is going to move along with our mouse pointer. So go to control, take forever. Let's go to motion, go to the mouse pointer. So now you can see that it's moving along with the mouse pointer. Okay, so now let's give if touching all of these octopus 2, 3 and 4, the game should end. Okay, so let's go to operator, take a or operator because there are three conditions by which each one, okay, if it touches the octopus 2, 3 or 4. So let's keep another or in this and let's do the 3 conditions. Okay, touching mouse pointer can be done inside these 3. Okay, so now like touching the octopus 2, octopus 3 and octopus 4, what should happen? It should be saying go to text to speech. Now I have it here itself. You cannot find this text to speech here. Don't worry students. Just go down, go to add extension, click on text to speech. Okay, and then take speak hello and let's take it to game over. Okay, so now you can see
Game
that.
over. Game over.
Okay, so now you know that it's working, right? Now let's give the code for the star. First one is when flag clicked, go to the position. So whichever is the position that you want, you can just keep it. I'll be keep it here. Now go to control, take forever. Now what we have to give is we have to give a if statement. If it touches the sprite one, what should be happening? Okay, so let's choose touching the sprite one, which is our cat, right? Cat, what should happen? It should be changing its position. Okay, so let's go to X. Okay, and now let's give pick random for X and Y. Okay, the values I have already have about the complete screen. So you have to not worry about it. You can directly give them. Okay, in the X you can give minus 240 to 221, and here you can give 1632 minus 175. Okay, so now you know that
Game over.
when your
Game over.
sprite. Okay, so now as these are three are standing like this, we are not able to reach here. You can see that it's changing the position, right?
Game
But
over.
our octopus is not moving. That is the reason why we are not able to make it move. Okay, so now let's give the code for the octopus because our octopus will also be moving. Okay, let's go to event, take when flag clicked. So let's set the size. Where is my flaglet? Okay, I'll keep like flaglet. Set size to 50%, and whichever is the place that you want, you can directly keep it there. Okay, now let's choose the forever and let's give next costume because each time the costume should be changing, right? Now we can give different positions such that in randomly it should be moving. So let's give go to X, Y, and let's take pick random and then again pick random, and let's give the values like minus 240 to 1. Okay, and in the Y let's give 163 minus 175. Okay, so now let's again give next one so that again it will be changing to make you wait. Okay, so now you can see that it's just moving. Okay, like this, let's make everyone move. So for that, everyone is having the same code. So what you have to do is just scroll this and put it into the one that you need. Okay, so we need it for 3. So we just copied them. And the only thing that we need to change is that they all are in the same position, right? So let's just change that. Okay, so this one where you need it here, right? Go to motion, take go to keep it here. Okay, and let's change the third one as well. Let's take go to. So now it's okay. Let's see. But the costume, I forgot to change the color here. Okay, so let's go back to the costume and just give color, which is the purple one. Okay, I just forgot about it. So that is the reason why you do that. Okay, so now let's see.
Game
So,
over.
so now you can see
Game
that
over.
your cat can go and touch the
Game over. Game over. Game over. Game over. Game over.
but each time again the game restarts, right? Let's give a score as well. Okay, let's go to variable, make a variable, and create a variable called score. Okay, so now let's set the score to be 0, and each time when it touches the star, what should happen? Your score should increase by 1. Okay, now let's do that.
Game over.
So after the game over, it should be stopping, right? So go to control, take stop all and keep it here. Okay. And then what we are going to do is we are going to make it say the score at that time. Okay. So let's give it like game over score, and let's make it say the score. Go take another speed, keep it below, go to variable, take and place it here. So now you can
Game
see
over.
that.
Score 0.
Okay, so now I hope that you can hear that it's telling the score as well.
Game over. Score 0.
Okay,
Game over. Score 1.
okay. So like this, each time your score is also being said. Okay, once when the game is being over. I hope you like the star hunting game. If you definitely like this, what you have to do is please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and please share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to comment a review about this video as well as the game. Okay, see you in the next video with some other new games. Bye.